Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix the 500 internal server error in WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, the internal server error is pretty much something that can happen on any website, and it is most likely caused by server-side issues on your specific server, and it might be caused by a plugin or theme or exhausted PHP memory limits, corrupted files such as the htaccess, etc., etc. Now, because I cannot replicate that error, I will be using this here article on Cloudways, which is quite useful. So let's go over it and see what the problem can be. Now, what you need to do first is back up your WordPress website and back it up regularly so that you can roll back to a previous version if any newer version tends to break it. Now, secure hosting services some might regularly keep backups up in case you want to back your site up, and that should be used in cases like this. If something didn't work, you should of course download a backup of the current site as well, in case that the issue is not with the site, so that you don't lose any progress. Alternatively, just try refreshing your page. That might work as well. You can also clear your browser cache. Depends on your browser. Pretty much just go into the settings, go into privacy, clear your cache history and everything. And once you're done with that, you can then go ahead and clear the WordPress cache. You can use a plugin such as the Breeze plugin. Just install it and activate it through your dashboard. Then navigate to the settings section of Breeze, and in the settings section you need to select the desired options, and then the cache will be cleared, and that is it. You can also check your htaccess file. Just go over there and see if it's corrupted. If it is corrupted, if you have a backup, install that. But if not, you can fix it yourself anyway. Just go to and access your htaccess file through an FTP however you can. Go into the root directory and now once you're there, you can download it from the server to your PC to actually edit it, then open this file in a text editor, go to htaccess on wordpress.org and replace it with the appropriate code for the appropriate version of WordPress. And once that's it, that should be good. Alternatively, if it is a plugin problem, you can check if it is by going into your plugins on your dashboard, going to bulk actions, clicking deactivate, applying, and if it works after that, then it is a plugin problem. Which specific plugin it is, you're going to have to work on it yourself, activate one by one, and when it breaks, you'll know what's causing the issues. This might even be the most popular issue, so keep that in mind. Themes might also be a problem, but you can also go into the FTP client and actually disable them from here. Just locate it within the WordPress content folder, rename plugins to plugins, deactivate it however you want, just so that the program can't find it. And once you save, you can then activate plugins one by one if the site works, and that is pretty much the same as the previous step. Additionally, you can also audit your themes. Go into your themes and activate the default by now it's 2025 theme, and once that's done, you'll be able to see if it works with a different theme. You can also do this through your FTP client. Just go to the client and locate the theme folder in WordPress content, rename the theme folder to whatever you want, theme renamed or whatever it is, but download it first, and after that's it, you can try it again. Additionally, you might need a PHP memory limit increase. Just go to FTP, go to your root directory and go into functions.php, right click the file, download it, and add this code at the opening PHP tag, and that should fix it as well. And you can also edit your htaccess file finally, and you can go to FTP, go into htaccess, but first download it to make a backup if everything goes wrong, and then just open the file and add this code below the PHP. You can also tweak the WordPress config file. Just locate it, right click, download it, and then open the config file in the editor, add this code, and you can also customize the PHP ini file for the settings. Just paste the following code in it, and alternatively you can just contact your hosting provider or make a fresh install and see if any of that helps. But that is pretty much all you can do. If it works, great. If it doesn't, I'm sorry, but there really isn't anything else that I found on the topic, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.